It's Boxyluxe time! I'm so excited. It feels like forever since I've gotten a Boxyluxe. So, if you would like to see what I got for my December Boxyluxe, keep on watching. I'm not going to waste any more time. I had to work last night. I have to work again tonight, so I need to sleep. We're going to get into this. Okay. Ooh, I like it has little diamonds on it. Alright, first we have, let me find it. Oh! Herbivore Botanicals Cloud Jelly Serum. This is a good skincare brand. A non-sticky hyaluronic acid alternative serum that helps dry, dehydrated skin bounce back. Trimel mushroom, a hyaluronic acid alternative, and vegan collagen leave skin feeling hydrated and plump. Ooh, and it's pink too. Ooh. This retails for $48. AM and PM, press 2 to 3 drops gently in your face and neck. I'm really, really excited to try this. Okay. Next is, what? Hold on. Okay, I think I missed choice, but this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Face Palette. It says Italian Summer. Okay, this essential trio delivers a lightweight, buttery feel and seamless blend, illuminating all skin tones for a long-lasting and natural radiance. All skin tones, we'll see about that. With easy to apply and buildable formulas, the Luxe Portable Glam. Oh my god, yes! Oh my god. I don't care what's inside, just the packaging right there. Yes. Portable Glam Compact provides an unbeatable one-and-done solution for a subtle to supercharged look. And this retails for $58. Ooh! I actually think all of these shades will work for me. Oh my god. Is it weird that I get so genuinely happy about makeup? Oh my god, I am so excited. Let me try this highlighter. Yes, it works. I know that blush is gonna work. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited. Alright, next is, okay, this Maui Beauty Best Dressed Lids Neutrals and Bold 14 Matte and Shimmer Eyeshadows. Whatever the occasion of your mood, there's a shade that's the perfect fit in this 14 well palette. You'll have a pick of matte and shimmer shades in neutrals and bold colors. Every shade works beautifully alone and plays well together. Ooh. Well, okay. I am actually kind of digging that. Yeah, I am. Okay. I see you, Maui Beauty, even though I haven't heard about you in a while. So this retails for $45. Okay. Oh, I want to see this black tie event. It's like a light pink. And they're very creamy. Oh, and there it is. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, wow, they're really soft. Alright. So next is this Keys Soul Care Harmony Mask. A purifying and hydrating charcoal face mask scented with soothing sandalwood and formulated with manuka honey and gold foil. It retails for $30. So this is from Alicia Keys' new line. Let's see here. It says, I walk in my own strength. Okay. So I wonder if it's something similar to like a Glam Glow Super Mud clearing mask. Okay, yeah, it definitely smells like sandalwood. Okay. Hey. I'm down for that. Next is Euphoria Bio Blush. Meet the award-winning, first of its kind, color-changing blush oil. I don't know if it's BYO or Bio Blush. It's the secret of everyday no makeup makeup. A universally flattering blush that reacts to your skin's natural pH to instantly give you the perfect shade of natural flush. Okay, here's what it looks like. They say it retails for $36. It says chemical reaction on it. I don't know. Hold on. It looks like it's going on clear. Oh wait, no, I'm starting to see some pink. Well, that's kind of bizarre, actually. I mean, I have blush on, though. I guess I could try and do some on this side. Oh my gosh, it literally, what? It like went on clear on my hand. Did that actually work? I thought that was some bullshit. Oh my god. Wow. And look at it on my hand. Right on the end there. It's like really light, but oh my god, that's insane. Wow. Okay, next is this Fenty Beauty Senna Lip Paint Longwear Fluid Lip Color in the color Uncensored. Maybe I did choose this. Ooh. Should I try it on? Yeah, I have to go get a makeup wipe though, so I'll be back. Alright, so this retails for $26. It's really cute packaging. I do like it. It's a really weird brush though. I've never seen anything quite like it. I mean, it's kind of like a doe foot. Damn. Wow. That's insane. And it is like, it's so soft. It literally almost feels like a gloss. Like, I've honestly never worn a liquid lipstick like this soft and moisturizing. Alright, so the next product is this Dear Midnight Set to Last Setting Spray. Lightweight, alcohol free. Yep. Okay, retails for $30. Okay. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's kind of small, but you know what? I'll put that in my car. I need one for my car. It's a really fine mist, so that's nice. $40? No, $30 they're saying this retails for. Still. Alright, and the last product they're saying retails for $40. It is Dew of the Gods, the Weekend Glow Challenge. The Gods of Good Skin challenge you to prioritize you this weekend. This weekend, you're the main character. Dew of the Gods has formulated 2 rich, luxurious, and purposeful lace sponge sheet masks designed to restore your skin's bounce, moisture barrier, and youthful glow from the week you just lived, while also preparing your skin for the next 7 days ahead. Yeah, they're saying this retails for $40. So on Saturday, it's a cold elixir made from squalene and citrus extract designed to hydrate, tone, and restore bounce to your skin. And on Sunday, a restorative and preventative skin cocktail formulated with retinol and hyaluronic acid to heal and repair. Okay, well if I ever were, I'm not the biggest fan of sheet masks, but if I were to use a sheet mask, it would probably be this one. I actually might have to use it. So I'm so happy with this box. It's not even funny. And I was pissed with Boxycharm last month for sending me. I realized I have 3 of those straightening hairbrushes, and I have 2 of their straighteners. But this, like, I am blown away. Like I got, like, this, look at this palette. I am in love with this palette. So excited to try this. Like, this is actually a really pretty eyeshadow palette. This blush thing is insane. This lip paint is insane as well. And I'm excited to try this mask. Like, I don't think there's anything that I'm not happy about. So let me calculate the retail value. So the total retail value is $313. And I don't think there's anything in here that's like ridiculously overpriced except for these sheet masks. But I mean, like, you know, $50 for Anastasia palette, like, yeah, that's pretty normal. Like, we know how much the Fenty lipstick is. I see it on Sephora, so, you know, I know that's an accurate price. So, yeah, I just think this is a really awesome box. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Alright, I will see you next time. Bye.